Budapest, and beyond! There are so many things to focus on as you walk along the Danube in Budapest. It is so easy to be distracted by the bridges, the monuments, and even the river itself. So unless you are actually on the hunt for this tiny statue of a balloon dog, chances are you're going to walk right on by. This tiny dog is modeled after the inflatable-looking sculptures of Jeff Koons. But his dog sculptures are always a bit more perky looking. This brass dog, created by artist Mihály Kolodko, is taking a rest, and he has his little balloon eyes fixated on a bone. Take a walk on the Pest side of the Danube near the chain bridge and just outside of Corso Restaurant.
And give a friendly pet to Libido, Budapest's weary balloon dog, because he's such a good boy.